Hello. Welcome to another video. For this video, I just wanted to do like a first impression of two blouses and a dress that I got recently off a lace market. I'll be honest, I can't remember the name of the print, but it's by a Taobao brand Chemical Cat. So, oh sorry, my cat's playing with a bag on the floor. I was actually interested in this print, I think like 2 years ago. I mentioned it in my Lolita goals for 2023 video, but I was actually interested in the green cut, or I was interested in the green colorway, but I ended up buying the purple colorway off of Lace Market. It's in this bag here. Well, during the summer, I never wear Lolita. It's too, I hate the heat, and due to some personal things, I haven't really been wearing Lolita much. So I just had the itch to buy a dress, and it came with two blouses, and also I think like a mesh, what's it called? Like a mesh, like it goes over the skirt. It looks really cool. But yeah, we're gonna open it and do a first impression, wear it, you know. I'm gonna do the blouses first, even though the star of the show is obviously the dress. So I'm just gonna take the first thing that comes out. So the first thing is this very sheer blouse, which would be really nice for the summer, actually. I'll have to try that. I'll try it on. I'll try these blouses on in this video, obviously. And this is the overskirt thing I was talking about. What is this? It's like, wait, hold on. How does this work? Oh, it's like a tie. I see. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It has like these really cute like pearl bead things and the lace. Bit of fraying over here, but it's cute little like daisy lace on the bottom. And then how it works is that at the ends there's like these purple ribbons, and you put it on and you tie. It's kind of like an apron almost, I think. We'll try that on later, Freya. I know you are very curious. This is the other blouse, It has a high collar. It actually looks really similar to another blouse that I have, except the one that I have, like the sleeves, it has like this, like, I can tie them basically. There's a little stain. I mean, the seller mentioned this, obviously, but it's not too big of a deal personally. But I don't know the brand. Maybe upside down. There we go. But that is the brand. I'm assuming it's a Taobao brand. It feels comfy. I don't know if I'm assuming it's cotton. I'm guessing based on the feel of it, but yeah, it's cute. You can never go wrong with white blouses, at least for me. I like white blouses. Freya. Sorry, my cat is licking the overskirt thing. Ow. Freya. Say hi. So, the star of the show is the JSK, obviously. So this is it. It's very cute. I like this like collar thing going on. and these cute like laces, wow, lace, and the daisy little flowers. Oh my goodness, and there's even daisy like little buttons. Just a print. They're so cute. I love it. It's so soft. I love it. Oh yeah, and the lace on the bottom, it's like has flowers and these little hearts and scallop detail. Another thing I love too, I saw this on the listing, the waist ties have these little oh my gosh, these little like letter thing. What is it? Wow, why am I blanking on words? It has envelopes on the end. I just realized this, the branding, the brand that made this, it's not Chemical Cat, it's called Chemical Romance, because I just realized, hold on, you can see well, it's upside down, but, or inside out, Freya. But yeah, this is my very first lavender piece, and I was always told that coordinating lavender is very difficult because they don't, like your shoes and the dress and headpiece and everything is not gonna, they don't match very often, like the color. So I was always kind of scared to buy a lavender piece, but I decided this time around, whatever. I've been in Lolita since 2019, 2020, so it's time to have a challenge. So let's put this cute dress on and try both the blouses. Well, the last cord did not work, so I will end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any constructive critiques, please comment them down below. I want to get more like lavender accessories and shoes and things like that for this, and I mean I need to get more accessories in general, to be honest, but yeah. See you in the next video. Bye bye.